Hello, my name is John Aspel, and welcome to Lemont High School's Teaching and Learning Night Virtual 2020. A little bit different this year, but glad to see that you're participating. I have been in the business department for 20 years here at Lemont High School, and I've taught 4 years at a previous high school. And I've also taught at the college level for 12 years, a variety of courses in the computer science area. I received my bachelor's degree from Illinois State University in business education, and from there, I received my first master's in educational leadership and second master's in curriculum and instruction. I am also the advisor for Future Business Leaders of America, Junior Achievement, and our freshman class. I wanted to talk a little bit about what our technology concepts course is. The purpose of this course is to provide all learners the digital skills that they need to be successful here at Lemont High School. We focus on a variety of different software applications and apps that they're going to be using with their Chromebook so that it can enhance their classes and they can be more engaged with the curriculum through student choice. A lot of teachers do give choice in the projects in which students are able to create, and they learn a lot of those in this freshman technology course, which is required for graduation. In this project-based course, students will focus on the main programs, which are Google Docs, Microsoft Word. We are using the live version for that, as well as Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Sheets, and Microsoft Excel. We want the students to have a nice variety because we know as they move on to college, post-high school, that a lot of universities are still using the Microsoft Suite package, and we want students to have experience with that along with the Microsoft and Google products that we're using here. We have a capstone project this semester in which students will be creating a portfolio using Google Sites. Additionally, students in this course gain awareness of how to use a variety of different technologies. Each student will be required to present a productivity app to the rest of their classmates, one that they choose, and also how to become good digital citizens. We focus on a few mandated areas by the state of Illinois, such as cyberbullying, digital footprint, and just overall how to be good digital citizenship. Um, and we also focus a little bit on copyright because we always want students to cite their work. Some goals this semester are going to be for them to create, edit, and format all different types of professional documents, but then using the software of Microsoft Word and Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Excel, and PowerPoint, and a variety of other apps. Again, we're all about student choice. We want to give them the tools, but then let them decide which tools to use depending on what the job is. Analyze and organize data and put it into report formats, as an example, Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets. Identify current terms and trends in technology. We do this a lot through the app presentation that each student has to participate in. Conduct online research and create presentational materials using Google Slides or Microsoft PowerPoint. There is a project towards the end of the semester where the students have to create a video, edit that video, and it is based on the research of topics that they choose from. I'll create an online digital portfolio, as we mentioned, within Google Sites to kind of summarize what they've done technologically throughout the semester. Develop increased typing proficiency is also a portion of this class. We all know that keyboards aren't going away. Just because we have those smartphones, keyboards aren't going away. So we want to focus on the touch typing system so that they can all become better and more efficient at that. Our grading scale is the school grading scale of 90, 80, 70, 60, with quizzes, projects, and daily assignments equating to 80% of that, and that final capstone project will be equal to 20% of their overall grade. Resources that we can find on our classroom pages is our course syllabus, um, Typesy, which is a program we use to learn touch typing. Everfi is our bullying software that we're going to be using, and digital citizenship / footprint. The Google Suite, of course. And we're also going to introduce our students to Tinkercad and let them explore a little bit with computer programming and 3D modeling. And they will be able to print a 3D model that they will design using Tinkercad. Contact. Anytime you want to reach out, please email me at jaspel@lhs210.net. You can also get that through your son or daughter's classroom page or through the high school's website. Available most days during the hybrid remote model from 1:30 until 2:37. The only exclusion to that is PLC days. We are usually in meetings, but I will try my best to get back to you that same day. Don't hesitate to have your son or daughter reach out if they need additional help. I would like to take a minute and just kind of show you a little bit what our classroom page looks like. When I'm on my classroom page, you can see that there's a streaming page, but we always go directly to the classwork page. And on here, there's the student help desk where students can email the help desk, and those students will get back to them if they have a question related to an app that they're trying to learn on their own. Course information, this is about Everfi. It's a bookmark of how to get there. This is where students could use free domain pictures where they don't necessarily have to cite the source. They're open for people to use. Our course outline, and this is daily lesson plan. So if a student does miss a day, they can always go out, take a look at what we did, and then they are able to be caught up upon their return. So they always know exactly what was assigned and what is due. Student acknowledgement, this is a student parent. They went through with you hopefully, and you both signed off that you understand our Google Meet expectations along with our classroom expectations. This is the district's academic integrity practice as far as what our cheating policy is here at LHS. And then each student is required to take their own attendance at the beginning of each class. And this is an example of our docs assignments that we've been working on. Students can access the informational sheets here, and they also submit all of their assignments through Google Classroom as well. And there's just additional resources for keyboarding and Google Drive, which we've already worked through. Again, thanks for taking the time, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to have your son or daughter or yourself reach out. Have a great semester.